Woo! God, dog, that was, man. I'm gonna keep it. I ain't gonna edit that out. God, dog. Yo, bing bong, hello. Get down here. Welcome back. Oh, to El Carew. Today's a fun, exciting day. I'm gonna try to do 2 videos in one. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm going to do it. So, boy, I'm excited. My first car show. Look, this is the first car show I'm officially entered in. That's right. You already know. Young Spawn, the Resurrection Porsche is ready for competition. No, yo, I'm just really excited, man. It is ready. So what we're doing now? Okay. I've always liked the sound. Well, not always. I don't have any sound in the car. I like the sound of the car, but inside, you know, the music, set the vibes. So what I did, fixed it. That's right. I'm on my way right now to Soundwave Audio. It's in Ogden, Utah. I'll put the information up here on the screen. Let me tell y'all the story of this place. Now, I just went in there just to ask around, and this is how you know people are, this guy's good. This guy's good. Originally, I didn't want to sub because inside, you know, the engine is right behind you, okay? Inside, I'm sweating right now. Ugh, excuse me, because it's hot. Oof. So, anyway, inside, it wasn't, the music wasn't hitting like I wanted to. The radio was it was old. I wanted to upgrade. So, god damn, boy, this freaking dragon. This dude was Chief and Chong in that bait, boy. Oh shit, it's the feds. It's the feds. It's the feds. Hold on, y'all. It's the damn police. I'm cruising 45. He's in my butt. Y'all see that? I'm gonna be right back. Hell yeah, I'm scared. Okay, I'm back. All right. Yeah, I don't play around with the police. All right, so I forgot what I was saying, so I'm just gonna say it like this. I'm on my way to Soundwave Audio. I wanted to replace all the speakers. I want this to be a quality car for you and me. So I had to get that sound upgraded, and I have a feeling, I just have a feeling that it's gonna come out great, man. That's it. Feeling good about it. And I think it's really gonna enhance that roll up. You know what I'm saying? You hear the engine, you hear the little boom to boom. You know, you gotta play that song when you're rolling through. You know that one song, you rolling to the spot. Oh, hey y'all, look at this. Look at that. Oh, that's funny. That was funny. Yeah, so anyway, that's what we're doing right now in preparation for the car show. So that's gonna be like the second part of this video. Is we're gonna go over everything that they did, everything that was installed, and we'll just check it out. I always forget what to say at the end, but I'm ready. Here we go, Sound Warehouse. Ooh, that boy's sitting there tough in the handicap. So try this again. This is take 2, by the way. Because I said the name of the place wrong, and you know what, I don't want to do that because they've done so much for me, so I think I should do right by them. So right now I'm rolling up to Sound Warehouse in preparation for my first car show in Utah. That's right, you heard it right. That's going to be another video, so look forward to that as well. So yeah, Sound Warehouse. I just wanted to replace the speakers, and he talked a great game, you know. So quality is what I go for all the time. Everything about this car is quality.
Just Conscious Life Records. I've been on the move for days. I've been trying to hustle, yo. People out here fucking fake. I'm about my custard, though. I've been on the move for days. I've been trying to hustle, They say the truth is in the pudding, but I see Confederate flags. Them boys are suited up, wondering what the fuck the message is. If they come to bless the kids or just to suggest the kids. Them white folks, they confusing us. Long list of problems, but
let's see what we're working with. So we did. So I finally got it registered.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. So we got a license plate with the backup cam right there because I can't see anything because this fat boy right here. And then, ooh, that smooth, clean cut in there. Can y'all see that? Where are we at? Right. Oh, that looks good.
It does. That dash kit looks really good, I think.
Yeah.
And it matches the rest of the dash up there.
Yeah,
so
right
it
here
looks
is what
like
you were
it's-
talking
yeah,
about
yeah.
here.
It matches all that, so
Yeah.
it looks like it's part of the car.
Yeah, that looks nice.
And the other one was so scratched up, I'm going, crud.
Yeah, good looking out there. So we did the door speakers.
Yep.
And then we
Yep,
also.
behind the seat and the steps in the trunk.
Oh yeah, let's get this.
I think you put the amp, I think, under the seat. There, under the seat?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got those bad boys in there.
The crossovers, the speakers, and all that.
Yep.
Behind the door to put those. And the amps under the seat there, so if you need to get to it, you can. But that way it's out of the way, you can't see it.
Oh god. Whew. Yeah, no, that's perfect. You gotta edit that out. And then we got.
Now we just mount the sub right here and here, but you can move it if you want to.
Okay.
I think.
Oh yeah.
Lay that up there and maybe get some Velcro strips or something
Yep.
that you can staple to the bottom of that.
Yeah, no,
It's
that's
a small
fine.
little thing.
Y'all can see there, y'all already saw it's smooth. It's in there. I went with the Pioneer deck. And now we're gonna pair the phone and get the slaps going. My friend, we're gonna listen to a D Show track. I think it's only right if we do that. Let's do that. Volume up on the phone.
I'm about to put some glitter on my lips and gloss on my lips. We out tonight.
Ooh, we out tonight. Oh, I love those highs already.
It's clean up here, so
drinks in the club, got me falling in love. Ooh yeah, I'm on fire. You my one desire.
What is that?
That's the sub.
That's an 8, right?
That's a 10.
No, that's a 10 back there. This whole time I thought it was an 8. In here, that 10 feels like a 12, and I'm pretty sure if I push it up,
You can crank it.
it'll feel. But I don't want that wing to fall off though.